Hey guys, guess what? We just got a bunch of boxes from Free People in, and we are going to show you an unveiling of what's in here because we don't know either.
Yeah.
All right,
Well, let's check it out.
Let's give it a little check. Ashley, I'm going to pass this to you.
Okay. Oh, okay.
I don't want to throw
Blade
it.
coming. All right, here we go.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh. All right, you open that.
I'll get this color.
Looks like it's the same thing there.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh, guys. I know it's hard to think about, but fall is coming in. We're going to need to be prepared.
Ooh,
check these.
yeah. I've been waiting for these.
Fleece.
Oh my
so
gosh,
much
these
detail,
are so cute.
so soft. I love the tonal, the two-tone.
Yes, love this neon in this one.
This is from
So
Free
fun.
People Movement. See their little movement logo on the back.
Wow. All right, what else we
And,
got here? Oh, there's one more
One
thing.
more.
Lots of
Different
sizes. It looks like
style.
these are going to come extra small
I'm
through
excited.
mediums
I
that we
picked this
just
out
showed
at
you.
Market. I thought it was so cute.
Love that.
Little thermal with a screen print. You are my lucky star. We've got some fun roses around the bottom and a nice thermal. Big, funky, chunky cuff. Guys.
Yes, like Michelle said, we keep getting boxes in day after day, so keep checking in with us and we'll keep doing unboxings for you.